Okay, it was a lot of fun. It was an amazing experience.
अभी मैं climbing करने लगा हूँ और I think I can do it. It's not that difficult, but I'm excited.
Well, it was amazing. You should definitely try out with Saiyah Travels. And this was the first time that I came out for a night trip, and it was definitely amazing.
This adventure was amazing. There was snow, there was bonfire, there was music, there was food. What else could you ask for?
सियाहत सयाह के साथ मौजूद सामीन कराम और मेरे मकतब साथियों, join us on 14th and 15th January 2017 with Saiyah Travels. Let's get back to nature.